Welcome back to another video. Today we will be showing you how to apply a screen protector on your iPhone. Starting off with what tools you need. You will need the screen protector, a microfiber towel, and a wipe or cleaning spray to clean your iPhone screen. Let's start by prepping your iPhone to apply the screen protector. If your iPhone currently has a broken screen protector, go ahead and take that off. Now you can start cleaning your iPhone screen with either a wipe or cleaning spray for the screen. Now, moving on to applying your screen protector. One last time, double check that there is no dust or fingerprint marks left on your screen. Now, grab your screen protector and gently remove the protective film off of the screen protector. Now, gently place the screen protector over the iPhone. Don't apply pressure all the way. Start at the top of the iPhone, and when you are comfortable with how you have aligned it, press the top and let the rest of the screen protector fall on the iPhone. If there are any bubbles left, use your microfiber towel to remove those. Here at TekReplay, with every iPhone purchase you make, you will have a pre-installed screen protector. Make sure to follow us to stay up to date with the latest tech tips, giveaways, deals, promotions, and so much more. Thank you for watching.